In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Trello board QR code. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few steps, making it easy for you to share your board with others using a simple QR code. So, let's dive right in and walk through each step together. First, you're going to start with your Trello board open. Once you have your board up and ready, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a three-dot icon, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu filled with various actions you can take. In this drop-down, you're looking for the option labeled Print, Export, and Share. It might seem like this menu is primarily for printing or exporting, but it also holds the key to accessing the QR code for your board. So go ahead and click on Print, Export, and Share. Once you've clicked on that, you should see an option that says Show QR Code. This is the function that allows you to generate and view the QR code for your specific Trello board. Selecting Show QR Code will bring up a visual representation of your board's QR code right there on your screen. Now, you'll see the QR code displayed, but we're not quite finished yet. Your next step is to download this QR code, which you can then easily distribute or save for future use. Look for a download button. It's usually a small icon that resembles a downward pointing arrow. By clicking this button, your QR code will be downloaded to your device, typically in a standard image format such as PNG or JPEG. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Trello board QR code. Now you can share your board in a new and efficient way, whether it be with colleagues, collaborators, or any other relevant parties. QR codes are incredibly handy for quickly accessing information and facilitating smooth collaboration, particularly if you're looking to streamline access to your Trello boards. Just a quick reminder, having this QR code means that anyone with a QR code scanner can access your board. So be sure you're comfortable with who you're sharing it with. Whether you're printing the code, embedding it in digital communications, or simply keeping it handy for your reference, you've now enhanced your ability to share and collaborate using Trello. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to download your Trello board's QR code. This little tool can be a great addition to your productivity toolkit. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your Trello experience, and happy organizing!